CFO Consulting believes small companies, SME can have advantage of technology to grow their business. CFO Consulting now enables your business to grow with their Beyond objective. Beyond counting beans. Beyond reports, technology is helpful mainly for complex businesses like multi-product, multi-location, multi-store, multi-factories, or your data is in multi-source and needs to be integrated to have better understanding. Your data may be in Tally, Excel, payroll, Salesforce, production, inventory, survey from customer or web-based or any other form and needs to be integrated to give you better understanding and for data-driven decision-making to grow business. Our solution have no additional people cost or capital cost and you pay only for reports required by your business. We use business intelligence tool like Microsoft's Power BI, which is best rated tool in Gartner Analytics and Business Intelligence 2020 report. Analytical tools helps you in data-driven decision and provide key insights of your business, customers and financials and in turn may lead to higher profit. There are various types of analytics and you can choose as per your business requirements. In-depth analysis shall require detailed data ranging from current data to 10 years prior data. As a case study and how data-driven analysis can help, we show here dynamic or interactive report. Scenario analysis on how price change can affect demand and have impact on sales. It shall help you in better decision. Second case study is on customer called reach frequency yield analysis. It helps you understand in terms of active customers, their frequency of doing business and how profitable are your customers. For further details visit our website or write to us. Let technology help you grow business and better decision making.